Welcome back, guys. It's Drew. Beer for breakfast, facts for snacks. Gonna do some corn and potatoes over there. Check this out. First thing is, cheers. It's about 1:30. Rotisserie chicken. 7.5 pounds. Just looking sexy. So got lots and lots of time. Cooking at about 300 degrees. Just turn it up a little bit. Don't tell me that, because I'm going to mouth water. Oh my. Can't wait. It's going to take about 3.5 hours to do. Looking good. Oh yeah. A little bit Elton John. Cheers. Subscribe. Oh yeah.